everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend. This is Deb from D&D Art Gallery. And today I have a 12 by 12 canvas all ready to go here. And I'm going to do a flip and drag and then lip it. Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, I've watched her quite a bit, and she does the lip where she goes through her paint and she brings up some of the other colors a little bit underneath, so it doesn't look quite so plain, but that's what I'm going to attempt today. My colors are white, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, lime green, navy, deep sea, dioxazine purple, and Marina. And I want to give a shout out to Julie Cuts of Pouring Your Heart Out. All of these colors, other than the white, are her colors. I did watch her video a long time ago and made these colors up, and they are beautiful. So thanks, Julie. And consistency, it's on the thinner side today. Not really a mound, just disappears pretty much right away. I'm gonna get some paint on my corners and around the edges here to help the paint flow. Cover the edges too. Most likely that paint will go over the edge, but I like to cover the edges. Okay, I'm just going to be using 1 cup today. So let's get started. See if you can see that. Yeah, pretty good. Start with the white. Good layer of white. Then I'll start with the lime green. I think I'll start up a little higher and just let it flow right in there. Next we have our navy. Just going to let them mix up today. This is called Deep Sea. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. The dioxazine purple, and the Marina. Okay, another layer of white. Okay, let's go with the navy next here. Switch it up a little bit. The lime green. The Marina. dioxazine purple, the deep sea. All my paints today are 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol with a squirt of GAC 800, and I thinned it with water that's a combination of 90% water and 10% Floetrol mixed together to get the consistency I wanted. Okay, and I'll finish off with the white. I did not add any silicone to these paints today, so we'll just see how it turns out if I get any cells at all. Okay, there we go with the flip. Let it sit there a minute. Okay, let's drag it. And lip it a little bit here. Mix up those colors a bit. When you lip it too, you just want to get the very top. You don't have to dig down to the canvas, just on the very top of that layer of paint. I do a little torch now to see if I get some air bubbles. Lots of air bubbles here, and I am getting some cells. Little cells coming up here. Okay, most likely from that Floetrol. Can spread the paint around slowly. That green is very pretty in there. Get some down in this corner. Come this way, cover this corner. Make sure all the edges are covered here. Next, I'll cover this corner. Very nice lacing I'm seeing in this painting. And I'll get the final corner. I'll bring that back a little bit. Look at my sides here, my corners. Gotta go back to this corner. Looks like I got my finger up on that corner when it slipped a little bit on me. I'm gonna bring it back to the center now. See how I like the composition of this one. Beautiful lacing up here, this white and this blue. I think I'm just going to tip it a little bit more this way. Let a little bit of that corner run off over there. Stretch it out just a little bit. Bring it back. Take another look at it. Gonna give it another torch. I did get quite a few sales with this painting. Mostly little. I really like the green in this painting. And you can see the lacing with that blue and that white there. That's very pretty. Here's a little bit more. Here's the other corner with the green. And I'll show you the last corner here. Hope you can see that. Okay, I think I'll just use one of my popsicle sticks here to clean off the bottom of my painting. Make sure I have my corners really good here. They're looking good. Okay, So let me know what you think of this. Again, this was a 12 by 12 flip and dragon lip. If you like this painting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, that would be wonderful. Until next time, take care and see you then. Bye-bye.